In this video, I'll be giving a demonstration of how you can use OpenPoint Web to add a nonlinear construction unit. The first thing you need to do is navigate over to the construction units in Plant and select the orange circle with the plus button in the center of it. This will open a new window on the right side of the screen where we will be asked to enter the details of our construction unit. We have a few fields we'll need to fill out first, starting with unit code. Now, watch what happens when I fill this out real quick. I'll enter our code in. And there we go. Notice the category, subcategory, unit description, others, these fields all filled in automatically based on just our unit code. Now, we can go ahead and change the count if needed, and then go ahead and move on to the CPR year. If you know the year, go ahead and type it down, or if you're unsure or it's a test like this, we can go ahead and just put 9999. After the year, we have the district. Here we get a drop down we can select from. We can pick one if we know the correct one, or we can keep it with the default option and just have it populate automatically in the future. Then we can enter a description if we want. This one I'll just leave blank. And when we're all finished up, just go ahead and hit save. And there we go. Now we have a finished unit on the left side of the screen in that list. As you can see, it's quick and easy to set up a new construction unit in Plant.